we are going to cover commits and pull requests from the Jigit development panel. Now for this, we are going to use our GitHub repository to demonstrate. However, this will also work for Gitlab and Azure DevOps. So to begin, we are going to go into our GitHub repo here from our branch, and we are just going to create a commit. So it doesn't matter what the change is, we're just making a change just so we can demonstrate the commit. And we will put our issue key into commit, and we shall commit our changes. Now, if we go back to Jigit and have a quick refresh, we can now see our commit is listed here underneath the branch. So we will go back to our commit, and we will create a pull request. Okay, as shown, we're just going to create a straightforward pull request, and it will check for the mergeability automatically. And now if we have a refresh back in Jigit, we can see our pull request here, and we can see the status as opened. So just to test it, if we now close our pull request without doing anything, okay, we can go back to Jigit. And if we have a quick refresh, we can now see our pull request is closed. So we're going to go back into our pull request now and just reopen it. And we will give it a moment, and we will then refresh. And we can see once more our pull request is open. Okay, so we are going to merge our pull request now. We will confirm the merge, and now that our pull request has been successfully merged, we could delete the branch. And if we go back and refresh in Jigit,